students, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a total body yoga flow to feel good in the morning, evening or at any point of the day. This beautiful yoga class will move your body through different strengthening and stretching postures that will energize, restore and rejuvenate the full body through breath, movement and flow. So students, grab your mat and let's begin.
Today we will start with Bhadrasana or the gracious pose. In Sanskrit, Bhadra means noble or gentle and Asana means pose. Benefits of doing Bhadrasana or the gracious pose. Number 1, it develops flexibility of legs. Number 2, it develops brain power. Number 3, it improves focus and concentration. Sit on your mat with your legs stretched out. Now fold both your legs and bring them close to each other such that the soles of your feet touches each other. Now hold the toes of your feet with your hands and bring them near the perineum, touching the floor. Make sure your spine, head and neck are straight and shoulders are relaxed. Keep breathing slowly and maintain this position as long as you are comfortable. Now let's move on towards our next asana, that is Ustrasana or the full camel pose. In Sanskrit, Ustra means camel and asana means pose. Benefits of doing Ustrasana or the full camel pose. Number 1, it stretches the chest, abdomen, quadriceps and the hip flexors. Number 2, it improves spinal flexibility. Number 3, it also reduces fats on the thighs. Now let's do it. Stand on the knees, keep the thighs fully straight, maintaining little distance between your thighs and knees. Now lean to the backward direction and slowly move more backward. Reach the right heel with your right hand and your left heel with your left hand. Push the hips in the forward direction and thighs vertical. Then bend the head and spine as further as possible. Support the body weight equally on the legs and arms. Maintain in this position as long as you are comfortable. Now let's move forward towards our next asana, that is Chakrasana or the wheel pose. In Sanskrit, Chakra means wheel and asana means pose. Benefits of doing Chakrasana or the wheel pose. Number 1, it is beneficial for the heart. Number 2, it strengthens liver, pancreas and kidneys. Number 3, it also stimulates the thyroid. Now let's do it. Lie flat on your back on the ground. Now bend your knees and bring your heels closer to touch your hips. Now raise your hands and bring your palms under your shoulders. While inhaling, press your palms and feet on the ground and lift your body up. Try to raise your hips as much as you can and hold in this position as long as you are comfortable. Keep breathing normally. Now release your pose slowly to come to the starting position. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Now let's move on towards our next asana, that is Trikonasana or the triangle pose. In Sanskrit, Trikon means triangle and asana means pose. Benefits of doing Trikonasana or the triangle pose. Number 1, it cures indigestion. Number 2, it reduces blood pressure. Number 3, it also stimulates the function of the kidney. Now let's do it. Stand straight and keep a minimum distance of 3 feet between your legs. Extend both your arms sideways and keep them level with the shoulders. While inhaling slowly, raise the left arm and bend the body towards the right. With the right arm pointing downwards, with your fingers pointed at your toes. And your eyes should face the ceiling and most importantly, be open for keeping optimum body balance. Make sure to inhale deeply and relax the body on exhalation during the final position. Repeat the asana for the other side as well. Let's move on towards our next asana, that is Utkatasana or the chair pose. In Sanskrit, Utkat means chair and asana means pose. Benefits of doing Utkatasana or the chair pose. Number 1, it strengthens the ankles, thighs, calves and spine. Number 2, it reduces flat feet. Number 3, it stretches shoulders and chest. Let's do it. Stand straight with an erect spine and your arms by your side. Keep some distance between your feet and stretch your hands straight forward to keep them parallel to the ground with your palm facing downward. Now bend your knee and bring your pelvis down like sitting on a chair. Try to bring your thighs parallel to each other.